In the ancient untamed theaters of our planet, survival is not a given. It is earned through millions of years of trial, error, and flawless biological design. While human civilization builds upward with concrete and steel, another empire rules the dark, wet undergrowth of the tropical world. An empire built not on speed or venom, but on absolute patience, immense power, and an inescapable embrace. This is the world of the python, a creature that carries the evolutionary weight of the prehistoric world into the modern era. They do not run, they do not strike with the blinding speed of a viper. Instead, they exist as living shadows, blending so perfectly into their environments that a deer, a wild boar, or even a human could step directly onto them without ever realizing death was beneath their feet. For centuries, myths and folklore have painted them as monsters, mindless crushers of bone, devouring everything in their path. But behind the myth lies one of the most sophisticated, intelligent, and ecologically vital predators to ever walk, or rather, crawl the earth. Tonight, we strip away the superstition and look directly into the eyes of the modern dragon. According to comprehensive encyclopedic and global scientific records, the family Pythonidae consists of over 40 distinct species spanning across Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are among the largest living snakes on planet Earth. Among them, the reticulated python, Malaopython reticulatus, of Southeast Asia, holds the crown for length, routinely documented at over 6 meters, with historical accounts stretching even further into the realm of giants. But what makes a python so biologically successful? It begins with an anatomy that is a masterpiece of natural engineering. Unlike humans who rely entirely on visible light, pythons possess a superpower that allows them to navigate and hunt in absolute pitch-black darkness. Along their upper and lower jaws rest a series of specialized holes known as labial pits. These are not nostrils. They are highly sensitive infrared thermal imaging sensors. Connected to the same part of the brain that processes vision, these pits allow the python to literally see the heat radiating from warm-blooded prey. To a python, a passing mammal in the dark is not hidden by night. It glows like a neon beacon against a cold canvas. Then, there is the jaw. One of the most widespread misconceptions is that pythons dislocate their jaws to swallow large prey. In reality, their anatomy is far more fascinating. A python's lower jaw is not a single solid bone. It is split into 2 independent halves, connected by an incredibly flexible, elastic ligament. Furthermore, their skull bones are loosely joined, allowing the entire head to expand laterally and vertically. Their teeth, sharp and curved backward like fish hooks, serve a single purpose: not to chew, but to act as a one-way conveyor belt, pulling the prey deeper into the throat with every alternate movement of the jaws. To understand the python is to understand the art of the ambush. They are ectothermic, meaning they rely on the external environment to regulate their body temperature. Because their metabolism is remarkably slow, they can go weeks, months, or in extreme cases, over a year without a single meal. But when they do hunt, the execution is flawless. When a target enters the python's strike zone, the snake launches its forward body with explosive force. The backward curved teeth lock into the flesh, anchor the prey, and instantly the coils follow. Within a fraction of a second, the python wraps its massive muscular body around the victim. For decades, popular documentaries and textbooks claimed that constrictors killed their prey by crushing their bones or suffocating them by preventing them from breathing. However, Recent cardiovascular research has shattered this myth. Pythons do not wait for suffocation. The pressure they exert is so immense and precisely applied that it causes an immediate shutdown of the prey's circulatory system. With every exhale the prey takes, the python tightens its coil, maintaining the pressure. This intense constriction raises the internal pressure of the prey, making it impossible for the heart to pump blood to the brain and vital organs. It cuts off the oxygen supply to the brain within seconds, leading to a rapid, quiet, and absolute loss of consciousness. It is not a brutal, chaotic struggle. It is a calculated, silent, and highly efficient physiological shutdown. Once the prey is consumed, the python enters a state that boundaries on the miraculous. Swallowing an animal that weighs up to 100% of its own body mass requires a complete transformation of the snake's internal biology. Within hours of swallowing a large meal, the python's internal organs undergo drastic changes. According to biological studies, their metabolic rate spikes by up to 40 times its resting state. To accommodate this massive energy demand, the python's heart actually increases in size by up to 40%, growing more muscle mass to pump blood directly to the digestive tract. The pH level inside the python's stomach drops drastically, becoming a pool of incredibly concentrated hydrochloric acid. Over the course of several days to weeks, this biological furnace completely dissolves everything: flesh, muscles, internal organs, and even solid bones. The only things that pass through undigested are teeth, claws, and fur. Once the digestion is complete, the python's organs shrink back to their normal sizes. Its metabolism drops back to a whisper, and it returns to its state of quiet vigilance, waiting for the next cycle to begin. Unlocking these extraordinary secrets of the natural world is what drives us every single day here at Evren Belgesel AI. We believe that nature is the ultimate storyteller, and our mission is to bring those stories directly to your screens with unparalleled depth and clarity. By blending the absolute peak of modern artificial intelligence tools with rigorous, verified scientific data from global encyclopedias, peer-reviewed journals, and historical records, we bridge the gap between high-level science and cinematic entertainment. Whether you are watching us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook across Germany, Japan, Russia, Norway, the Netherlands, and beyond, Evren Belgesel AI is built for a global community of curious minds. We do not just show you animals, we explore the why and the how behind their evolution, their survival tactics, and their roles in our global ecosystem. Our dedication to daily high-quality content ensures that whenever you tune in, you're taking a step deeper into the untamed, magnificent reality of planet Earth. We do not just show you animals, we explore the why and the how behind their evolution, their survival tactics, and their roles in our global ecosystem. Our dedication to daily high-quality content ensures that whenever you tune in, you're taking a step deeper into the untamed, magnificent reality of planet Earth. The python has reigned supreme in the wild for millions of years, outliving countless species and adapting to changing climates with prehistoric resilience. But today, they face a challenge unlike any they have encountered before: the rapid, unstoppable expansion of human civilization. As rainforests are cleared for agriculture and urban landscapes swallow the natural world, the boundaries between human territory and the python's kingdom are blurring. In places like Florida, introduced Burmese pythons have become apex invaders, completely altering the local ecosystem. Meanwhile, in their native Asian and African habitats, they are increasingly forced into urban areas, seeking shelter in drainage systems, roofs, and backyards, hunting domestic animals just to survive. This brings us to a profound, lingering question about the future of our planet's biodiversity. If a creature of this immense power, ancient lineage, and evolutionary perfection is forced out of the shadows of the wild, what does it say about the future of nature itself? Are we, as humans, capable of creating a world where we can coexist with the ultimate apex predators? Or will our endless expansion push these modern dragons into the pages of history books, leaving the world a much emptier, quieter place? What happens when the wild finally runs out of room and these masters of adaptation are forced to adapt entirely to us? We want to hear your thoughts. Share your perspective in the comments below. If you want to continue exploring the hidden truths, extraordinary mechanics, and breathtaking spectacles of the animal kingdom, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and support Evren Belgesel AI. Thank you for watching, keep your curiosity alive, and we will see you in our next global exploration.